What's up, MBA Squad? It's your girl Tiara on the Madam Boss Lady channel, and we are on a tour of Maine. And this is Portland, Maine, the inner city, and we're about to take a tour. I'm in for good.
Okay, can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm Charlie. I'll be your driver and tour guide today. All right, welcome to Portland. 69,000 people, 2,000 of which live on 6 islands. More on that later. This is Commercial Street. This was part of the bay until the 1830s when they filled it all in to make railroad tracks under this concrete strip to my left. It's all fill from the street on the left over to a boat where that black car is, and then from there on it's docks, wharves, and piers. So we might hit a sinkhole, but don't worry, if we do, you can use your seat cushions as a flotation device. Lost anybody yet? Well, you never know. Watch out, a lot of poison ivy out there. This mass over on the right, the rest of the story on the right here from these little monuments, that is 16 of those in the city. They are stations of the Underground Railroad. This is Munjoy Hill, highest point of town, 125 feet above sea level. Anyway, this was built 8-sided so that you could keep up with the weathering better. Now, in 1807, they didn't have telegraph or anything. So when your ship went out to sea, you had no idea when it was coming back. I say no idea, you had a rough idea. But if you hit it within a week, 10 days, you were doing well. So what would happen here, Lem Moody would go up there and he'd charge you $5 a year to be a subscriber of his. And he'd look out to sea, and when he saw your ship coming in, you had a code worked out, he'd run up a series of flags, and that way you'd know you had 14, 16 hours lead time so that you could get docking space and stevedores and things like that. And now it's all made in stone again, so the firemen don't have anything to do. So every time an ambulance goes out, a fire comes on, a career in Hastings, same fellas that did the New York City Public Library. Only they have lions out front of their libraries. We have flower pots in front of our city hall. Get out of the way, you. Don't eat. But look up above the window, and you will see in 1889, in a granite block there or something. Below that is a bulge. The bulge is a cannonball. That was given to us by the British Navy. They sent it to us airmail in 1775.
Lisa Marie's Maine and Maine. This is my family business. My mom's Lisa Marie, and everything we sell is made here in Maine for over 400 local businesses. Come by and say hi.
I love this part of the tour. I don't get anything for that. I just love those people. They're so nice, you know. Yeah, it's Monument Square. It's where this monument to the soldiers and sailors of the Civil War. Later statue in life of that. Great time, big time poet like that. What would you expect him to have under his chair? Books. The reason for that is because in gravestone talk and statue talk, books mean an accomplished life. So in humble tribute to that, off to the left is the treasure chest, Maine's oldest dirty bookstore. Never been there, mother. Never have. Got a strange reputation, though, I will say that. I do understand if you need any clean urine, you could buy it in there. Why would I need clean urine? Suppose you want to drive a trolley. You gotta have drug-free urine to get a federal license. He was almost president of the United States. He was narrowly defeated by William McKinley in the 1896. That's the West House. That was built in 1912. The best, most expensive single-family home in Portland. Down here, I'll be back to the kitchen 20 minutes. No, 20 minutes, 20 past, sorry, 20 past. Maybe sooner. Not much going on down here. The gelato stand's still open. Cliff walk along there. Gift shop's closed. Talk more about it when we leave.
Hey, what? Hmm. I don't know. This is pretty much one of the best views. Lighthouse, Maine, Maine, Maine. Okay, guys, so we were on the last tour that went to the lighthouse, and it was, to me, it was really, really nice. It wasn't that crowded. I'm not sure what it was doing the rest of the day, but it wasn't that crowded when we were there. We got to sit where we wanted to. The view is beautiful. We got to see the seaside. We got to see the lighthouses and all the workings that they have going on over here. I'm telling you, this was about the most peaceful trip one could take. I did dig this one. Old lighthouse. Now, at this point in the day, all the concession stands were closed, the gift shop was closed, like he said a little bit earlier. And honestly, we had fun without it. We brought our own snacks. Yeah, I think this tour lasted a couple of hours maybe. But yeah, it was really, really nice. I would definitely do it again. Take this trip to the top of this little lookout mountain. See what's up here. Oh, it's like a walking trail. Yeah. Oh, y'all see that? It's a walking trail.
Picture? See, that's a bait bag. That's a green little bait's in there. All in now. These ones look like the yesterday all day. You can't fish for lobsters on Sunday in Maine. Lobsters are very religious, and you respect them. Set traps, full traps, and then laying lobster. Booms. It's a rubber band. It floats. You put it around the tanker, and then if the tanker, it's loading or unloading, spills any oil, and you stay contained in that. Then you go up in that gray boat, and then you throw these things up beside the big pillowcases up there, come on the oil, and then it's a trolley.
So clearly at this point we did finish our tour, and we were going to stop by some of the restaurants that the tour guide suggested, and we're at one restaurant called High Roller right now. So we end up going in High Roller, and we ordered lobster rolls because I asked the lady, what was the specialty? Like, what are you guys known for? And she said, you have to have one of our lobster rolls. These lobster rolls were every bit of $20, and they basically look like sliders. So we tried these lobster rolls, and I was very unimpressed. Get me out of here. On to the next one. What if it's open? It is not. Yeah. Okay, so really trying to try this donut cafe, and it is not even open. Who does that? Y'all know we was coming. The plan. Alrighty, we are at this bar that my son said that he wanted to go to. He mapped this out before we left home, so this is one that he wanted to check out, and let's see what they have. So our food came, and I ordered the Cajun cheesesteak and some fries. Let me let y'all know how this goes. Okay, so I've actually been batting 1,000 when it comes to these fries, but honestly, these fries ain't really hitting on nothing, y'all.
I like it.
So I'm gonna try this cheesesteak, Cajun cheesesteak, see what it do. Not bad. Tastes pretty good, actually. Looks like they got that right. And these fries, I even got the cheese sauce. You could have brought me a piece of cheese. This is not that good either. Yeah. Nice and crispy, good texture, but honestly, no. So they put a lot of cheese on this cheesesteak, but it's the same kind of cheese that they put over here for dipping. I'm just gonna suggest change the cheese because although the cheesesteak is pretty good, I'm getting the Cajun vibe. It's cool. It's the fries and the cheese for me, or not for me. My son be like, girl, I can't take you nowhere. Anywho, this is about the end of this video. This was one of our tour trips, and it was pretty good, to be honest. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you hit the notification bell for the future videos. Like, share with your friends and family. And don't forget to follow me on all social media at Madam Boss Lady. Bye!